Alright, we're going to show people how to put on chains. First off, make sure you got the right size chains for your truck. These ones here are going to fit my truck. Even though we have winter studded tires, we have the M&S on the Snowflake. Alright, so we got the BURs, they're going to be wanting to point outward. We've got these cam lock pieces. You want to make sure that you can get to those on the outside of the tire. Scrape over your tire. Make sure they're evenly spaced. Tuck the little strings that are left over. Tuck underneath the strings in the front there. And then just make sure when we roll forward, these are gonna fold forward, and we're gonna do them up at the back. So this style of chain has got these cam over pieces in a couple locations. You wanna make sure that's on the outside of the tire, and our V-bars are pointing up. Now that we pulled ahead, we're going to do up the inside piece first. And then on the outside, we have these cam overs that we can go. This one looks like I might be able to take up all the way to the end. And you click it back in so that it grabs. Check your snug, kind of give them a wiggle. They're going to get loose right away. You might as well have them nice and tight. So it looks like I could go another one on the inside. Remember, you're going to want your chains tight, as tight as you can get them, because otherwise they're going to flop around and hit the body of your vehicle. That's pretty good. We'll drive down the road a little bit and we'll check them again. Okay, I'm just putting a zip strap on my chain there. If I had some bungees, I could bungee this up. I just don't want this coming around and hitting the body of the truck. So we got all four tires chained up. Front ones have the special cams. Make sure they're nice and tight. Back ones have the single cam, and we'll tighten them up when we go down the road. So we've got the chains on the back tires here. They were snugged up nice and tight still. We did a stop on the side of the road here just to check their tightness, and they're not hitting any of the pieces of the body of the truck. They're not hitting any of the suspension or brake lines. And yeah, they'll get you to your destination. Just know how to put them on.